Hey guys, welcome back to Gretchen's Bakery. I'm going to get right to it today with my recipe for chocolate bundt cake. Perfect for Valentine's Day. Check it out. Alright, here we go. For the cake recipe, you will need flour and cocoa powder, chocolate and vegan butter, and I'm going to be melting those together. That's why it's already in a small sauce pot. 2 sugars, brown and white, baking powder and soda, brewed coffee, or just use instant coffee granules and some hot water. I've got a bit of salt, flax meal, and more water to make the flax egg paste, applesauce, whiskey, and vanilla extract. First, combine the flax meal with the warm water and let that stand to thicken for just about 10 minutes. Next, if you haven't brewed your coffee, just add those instant granules to the hot water. I'm going to be sifting the dry ingredients with just half the amount of both those sugars. Now the other half of those sugars goes into your mixing bowl with the flax paste, the applesauce, vanilla extract, and whiskey. For those who are already questioning the whiskey and/or the coffee, please click through to the blog post where I write the recipe as well as some substitutions that you can make for both of those ingredients. Now add the coffee and then the butter and the chocolate mixture. This is really an easy recipe to mix, and honestly you don't even need a mixer, but I do find it easier since I have to add the dry ingredients next. And it's kind of hard to add with one hand while mixing with the other. I was never really great at being ambidextrous. But if you have a helper, that's great. Get him or her to add the flour while you whisk. Tag team it up, baby. Pour the batter into the pan and bake in a preheated 375-degree Fahrenheit oven. One thing I'll mention is that while it's baking, it's going to rise all the way to the top of the pan, but then it's going to shrink down slightly towards the end of the baking time, and this is normal, so don't panic. Okay, so while the cake is cooling, you can prepare a quick chocolate glaze by combining coconut oil, cocoa powder, and agave in a small sauce pot. Just heat it gently while whisking until it melts and comes together smooth, and then be sure to cool it to about 90 degrees Fahrenheit before pouring over an equally cooled cake. Last, with a confectioner's sugar and almond milk glaze, colored for all the colors of Valentine's Day, and then enjoy! So I do hope you will try it. Head on over to GretchensVeganBakery.com to grab the recipe. If you liked this video, don't forget to give me a like and also subscribe here to my channel if you have not already. Thanks to everyone for watching and all the amazing support and encouragement I get to keep on going. Speaking of support, a great big thank you to my patrons on Patreon and my pals in PayPal. You guys are the best, and I really can't thank you enough for making sure that I can continue sharing my recipes for free for everyone. If you think you can help for as little as $1 a month, click the link below to find out how. Alright, until next time, happy baking, happy Valentine's Day, bye for now.
Yeah, I want to get to know you. I want to get to know you, man. I'm trying to get to know you. I'm trying to dance with you. I'm trying to swim with you. All I know is extra.